Okay. Good evening, everyone. Please let me know if I'm properly audible and visible to you all. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Good evening to all my dear friends. Please let me know if I'm properly audible to you all so that we can begin the session. And in this session, today we are going to see the solution, the best solutions, the best approaches that we can do for the questions that appear in the Oliveboard live mock test, right? We are going to see the best solutions that we can do, the best approach that we can do to solve the question to save our time, right? Let's begin the solutions of each and every question. The first question on our screen is like this. The position of how many letters will remain unchanged if in the word quicker? We are having the word quicker, Q-U-I-C-K-E-R. We are having the word quicker. All vowels are arranged in the alphabetical order, and then all consonants are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right. We have to arrange all the vowels first, followed by the consonants in the alphabetical order from left to right. Then we have to find how many alphabets will remain unchanged, right? So if I'm arranging the vowels, first of all, what will come? First of all, E-U-I. What will come? E-U-I. So I will remain unchanged. No need to write. You can do it just by your thoughts or imagination, right? First of all, E will come, then I will come. Sorry. Wait a minute. C-U-I-C-K-E-R. First of all, E, I and U. First of all, E will come, I will come, U will come. All three are changed. Then what will come? C will come. C will remain unchanged. After C, what will come? K will come. K will remain unchanged. Right? After K, Q will come. Q will change. Then R will come. R will remain unchanged. So there will be three letters. Which will remain unchanged. That is C, K, and R. That is C, K, and R will be the three letters that will remain unchanged. So let's mark the option number. D. That is 3. Option number D, 3 is the right answer because it turns into green. Let's move on to the second question. Now, how to approach this question? If each letter of the word castle, C-A-S-T-L-E, each letters of the word castle are replaced by immediate next alphabet. Please read the question first, then we will solve. Are replaced by immediate next alphabet. I am not going to replace them with the next letter. I am going to read the question first. How many letters are there in the English alphabet series between the letter which is third from the left hand? So he is asking about the letter which is third from the left. So directly change the third letter only. It will become T. And the one which is second from the right, L. Change this L into next, that is L. L ka next kya hoga? What is the next letter of L? M. That is M. Now we need to find the letters between M and T only in the English alphabet series. M comes at 13, T comes at 20. 13 to 20, how many numbers are there? There are 6 numbers. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 is the desired number. So 6 numbers will come, and hence the answer is option number D, 6. Okay, the answer is option number D, 6 is the right answer. So let's mark the option number D. That is 6. D is the right answer, 6. Next, third question on our screen. From the data sufficiency, the question is of, no, not the data sufficiency, the question is of the sitting arrangement. So let's see how can we approach this question. 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are sitting in a straight row facing the north direction but not in the same order. D sits fourth right of B. Means B, 1, 2, 3 and D. Doesn't matter how many right or left person is, only the one less person will come between both of them. So D is the fourth right, so 3 person will come between them and D is the right one. 3 person E and A. 3 persons sit between E and A, and we cannot fix this line only. We cannot directly fix this line because we don't know how many where E and A will come. B sit at the end of the row. If B is sitting at the end of the row, so this is the B who is sitting at the end. We have to fix the 8 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have fixed the 8 persons. We have fixed the 8 persons. 3 persons sit between E and A. We cannot fix this E and A line. We are writing this line. We will fix it later on. And E and A can come towards the right or left of anyone. H second left of D. So H will come over here. One person will come between H and D. H immediate right of E. H is immediate right of E. So E will come over here. And 3 person between E and A. 1, 2, 3. A will come over here. F adjacent to A and C. F is adjacent to 2 person, that is A as well as C. So F will come between A and C. So F is here, C is here, and one person is remaining, that is A, B, C, D is remaining. D will come over here. No, not D, not D. D is already fixed. D is already fixed. A, B, C, D, E, F, G is remaining. G will come over here. G will come over here. Now we need to find which of the following statement is and are true. Which of the following statement is and are true, right? Let's see which statement is true. 2 persons sit between H and A. We can see there are 2 persons sitting between H and A. First one is true. D sit third left of C. We can see D sitting third left of C. 1, 2, 3. D sitting third left of C. This is also true. G adjacent to H and D. G is adjacent to H as well as D. Right, this is also true. So all are true means option number D should be the right answer. Shall we mark this one? Shall we mark this one? Okay, let's mark this D option. Yes, D turns into green. It means this is our right answer. Let's move on to the fourth question. Fourth question is again from the sitting arrangement. Fourth question is again from the sitting arrangement. Let's solve this one. 8 flags STUVWXYZ are minted around the borders of a circular playground. Of a circular playground means like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are having a circular playground with 8 flags minted. Now, one flag is between T and Z. One flag is between T and Z. Z which is opposite to S. This which is used for Z, and Z which is opposite to S means Z is over here. You can fix Z at any position. You can fix Z at any position. Z is opposite to S, so S will come over here. One flag is between T and Z. Now T will come at the 2 position. Either T will come over here or T will come over here. So in such kind of cases, draw one more possibility in order to save the time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. S, Z, T and T. We are having 2 cases, 1 case and 2 case. 2 flags are between V and W, but we don't know where V and W will come. So I am writing this line: V and W, 2 flags will come. V opposite to X but not adjacent to S. V is opposite to X but not adjacent to S. This but is used for V. V is opposite to X. It means opposite to V, X will come, but V is not sitting adjacent to S. So if V is not coming adjacent to S, where will V come? V can come over here or over here as well, right? We can come at these 2 positions. I am removing T. Right now I am removing T. We will fix T later on. V is over here, opposite to V, X will come like this, and V will not come adjacent to S. Right? So in these 2 positions T will come. Either here or here. So V and X cannot come adjacent opposite to each other in this position. So one case will be like this: V can come over here, and opposite to V, X will come over here. Now 2 persons were sitting between V and W. So in this case, if I go from the clockwise, 1, 2, W will not come, 1, 2, W will come, and now T will be fixed over here directly. Because it was given Z and T, this line Z and T. Similarly, 1 and 2, W will not come because we have to fix this line V and W. 1 and 2, W will not come, 1 and 2, W will come here, and 1 was sitting between Z and T. So Z is here, so T will come over here like this. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. Either 1 or 2 flags are between T and Y. Either 1 or 2. It can be possible that 1 will come between T and Y or 2 will come between T and Y. When counted in the anti-clockwise direction from T. When anti-clockwise rotates like this. So either 1 or 2 will come between T and Y. So between T and Y, 1 cannot come because T and Z 1 is having. So in the anti-clockwise direction, y will come over here and 2 are coming between t and y. In this case, 1 cannot come between t and y, because in the anti-clockwise direction from t, 1 is coming between t and s, and 2 is coming between t and x. So this is the wrong one. This is the wrong one. Now 1 is remaining. 1 is remaining. U is remaining. U will be over here. U will be over here, and this is the right arrangement. Now we need to find who is adjacent to W. Who is adjacent to W? The adjacent person of W is either Y or X. Either Y or X. Y or X means option number B. Option number B is the right answer. Option number B is the right answer, and hence let's mark option B. Option B is the right answer, that is Y. Okay. If it turns into green, we have done right. Is it clear to you all? I hope the explanation part is clear to you all. Let's move on to the next question. That is fifth one. The question is from the data sufficiency. The question is from the data sufficiency. How to get the answer for this one? How is K related to F? We need to find how this K is related to F. The first statement says E is the husband of K, H is the daughter of E, and the sister of G, J is the wife of G. We need to find the relation between K and F, but we are not having F in the first statement. We are not having F in the first statement, and hence we cannot get the answer only with the help of first statement. Only with the first statement we cannot get the answer. Now let's see the second one. F is the daughter of H. We are having F, but we are not having K. So with the help of second statement alone, we cannot get the answer. With the help of second statement alone, we cannot get the answer, because we need these two persons in one statement only, K and F. Now let's combine both of them. E is the husband of K. So K will be the wife. H is the daughter of E. It means it will be the daughter of K as well. So H is the daughter of E. And the sister of G, and H is the sister of G, like this. J is the wife of G. If J is the wife of G, so G will be the male person and J will be the female, that is wife. Now let's connect this one. F is the daughter of H. So F will come below H like this. Now can I say what is K to F? No need to draw this one. No need to draw this line, because we have got K and F. And K is the grandmother of F. How we are getting the answer? By combining both the statements. I am getting that K is the grandmother of F. So what we need? We need both the statements, 1 as well as 2. So what should be the right answer? That is option number C. Both 1 and 2 together are needed. Can I mark the C option? Let's mark the C one. Yes, C turns into green. It means we have done the right one. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Sixth question. The sixth question is from the relation part, that is of the analogy. This 185 is related to 362. 185 is related to 362. 248 is related to 488. Which of the following numbers is related to? We need to find this first number that is related to 1022. How can we find this thing? What can be the right logic? Let's see. Can I say the double of 185? What is the double of 185? The double of 185 is 100 double is 200 and 85 double is 170, right? So it will be 370. Minus 8, we will get 362. The first number has been multiplied by 2, and then we are subtracting 8 from the resultant, then we can get this number. Similarly, 248 multiplied by 2. 248 multiplied by 2 means 200 double is 400, 48 double is 96, 400 plus 96, 496. Multiply by 2, I will get 496, and subtracting 8, I can get 488. Doing the same logic in this number is x multiplied by 2 minus 8. So it will become 2x equal, 8 will go over there, 1030. 2 will divide this 10 by 515. 515 is the right answer. That is option number A. That is option number A, 515. Option number A, 515. Is it clear to you all? Shall we mark the option number A? Let's mark option number A. Option number A, 515 is the right. Next question, 7th on our screen. The question is from the mathematical operation, which is very crucial, which is very important for the tier 2 examination. As you all are aware that SSC has released the dates, official dates on which the tier 2 examination will be conducted, So by interchanging the given two numbers, not the digits, the full number, which of the following equation will be correct? We have to interchange 6 and 13. Okay. If I am interchanging 6 and 13, it will become 13, and 13 will divide 78. It will become 6 minus 19 plus 205. 6 minus 19 plus 205 into, it will become what? 6. It will become 6. Okay. 13 5 65. What it will become? 13 5 65 and 13 2 26. 2665. It will become 2665. I don't think so that we can get 121. We can get this number. I don't think so. So first equation will be the wrong one. Because we need 121. We are getting 26665 over here. So this will never be the right answer. So 6 and 13, interchanging 6 and 13 will not give the answer from the first equation. Let's do the second one. Applying the board mass rule. 6 and 13 needs to be interchanged. 13 will come over here and 6 will come over here. Applying the division part, it will become 3 first. Then applying the multiplication part, it will become 13 into 15, and a big number it will become, which will never gives us 14. So the answer should be neither 1 nor 2. Option number B should be the right answer. Option number B should be the right answer, neither 1 nor 2. We are not supposed to solve the question fully. We can get the answer directly. The option should be neither 1 nor 2. Let's mark this. Yes, it turns into green. It means we have done the right. Next question, 8th one. 8th question on our screen. Very simple question from the analogy part. Arctic is a ocean. Arctic right? Arctic is related to ocean. Similarly, Tanzania is a country. United States is not a continent, right? Sahara is not a forest. Sahara is a desert. And Lonar is not a river. Lonar is a lake in Maharashtra. So the right answer should be Tanzania country, option number A. Let's mark option A. Tanzania country. Next question. 9th question on our screen. Let's see what should be the right answer for this one. We need to see that their number is given 16, 33 and 8. And then 22, 45 and 11. You can directly see the pattern. This 8 double is 16 multiply 2, and 16 to 33 multiply 2 plus 1. Applying the same logic in the second set of number, 11 double is 22, and 22 to 45 multiply 2 plus 1. So we need to apply the same logic in one of the given option that will give the same logic, right? So in which option we can get the same logic, right? Let's see. 6 double is 12, and 12 multiplied 2 plus 1 will never give 26. It will give 25. So first option is the wrong. 13 double is 26, and 26 multiplied by 2 plus 1, we will get 52 plus 1, 53. So the right answer is option number B. Let's mark option number B. Option number B is the right one. Option number B is the right answer. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. 10th question. 10th question is from the repeated series. We need to fill this series in order to get the right answer. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We are having 18 elements. The 18 elements can be written as 3 pairs of 6 elements. We can make 3 pair of 6 elements. We can make 6 pair as well of 3 elements. But before that, let's make a 3 pair of 6 elements. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Okay. Now what we can get? See, the first element is E, the first element is missing, the first element is E, and second is G, E and G. So let's make it EG and let's make it EG. It has become EGIK, EGIK I can make, and EGIK I can make. EGIKM, EGIKMO, EGIKMO, and EGIKMO. The repeated series, the repeated pattern of this series is EGIKMO, EGIKMO, and EGIKMO. Right? This is what we are getting. So what should be the right answer? What should be the right answer? GMEIK, GMEIK, OIO, OIO. Option number A should be the right one. Let's mark it. Option number A. Next question, 11th. 11th question from the syllogism. 11th question from the syllogism. Let's find the right answer for this question. All screens are display. All screens are display. Some projector are screen. Some projector are screen. Some display are projector. This is the conclusion. Some projector are display. Yes, this is true because projector and display are making a relation. Some screen are not projector. See, the relation between screen and projector is not given definitely. It is given that some projector are screen, but the remaining screen can be projector or cannot be. So we cannot directly say that some screen are not projector. We cannot definitely say. If it was given like this, some screen are not projector is a possibility, then we could have done this right. But he is saying definitely. Definitely we cannot say anything about the remaining part of screen. Definitely we cannot say anything about the remaining part of screen. So the answer should be only one follows, that is option number D. Let's mark option number D. Yes, D is the right answer because it turns into green after marking. Let's see the 12th question. 12th question, my dear friend, is from the inequality, which is very much important, for the tier 2 examination. Let's see the right answer for this one. We need to find the relation between O and J. It is written J less than O. I can understand it like this, O greater J. Both are the same thing. Both are the same thing. Okay. So while moving from O to J, all the symbols should face towards O. O to H, all symbol facing towards O. Then H to J, all symbol facing towards H. The symbol is of first priority. I can see second priority, first priority, second priority. Out of 2 and 1, what you will choose? You will choose the first priority. Hence, the conclusion number 1 is true. Second, K greater P. We need to find K greater P. How can we connect K and P? How can we connect K and P? P is connected with H, but we cannot make a relation between K and H. We cannot make the relation between K and H because the symbols are from the different families. Symbols are from the different family. This one and this one, both are the opposite symbols. Opposite family, I should say. In the inequality chapter, which I have taught from the basic on the YouTube, recently I have taught on this channel from very basic, you can get the concept of opposite family. You can learn from there as well if you are not aware. So K and H opposite symbol, hence this will be the wrong one. Now the answer should be only one is true. Only one true, that is option number D. Let's mark the D. Yes, D turns into green and hence we are right. Next question, 13th. 13th question is from the series, number series that we need to solve. 13th question is from the series that we need to solve. Let's make the right answer. Let's mark the right answer. 16 is connected with 96, then 32, then 48. If you look at this number carefully, you can see alternate numbers. 16 to 32 twice, 32 to 64 twice, 64 to 128 again twice. 96 to 48 is divided by 2. 48 divided by 2 will give us what? 24, and 24 divided by 2 will give us 12. So right answer should be option number B, 24. Option B, 24. Let's mark option B, 24. Yes, this is the right one. 14th question. 14th question. Select the option. Analogy. Ocean related to salt. LPG cylinder will be related to what? Salt can be obtained. Salt is found in ocean. So what is found in LPG cylinder? The polyhydrons, kerosene, coal, and natural gas. Natural gas is found in LPG cylinder. Natural gas is found in LPG cylinder. So the right answer should be natural gas. Let's mark natural gas. Option B, right. Next, 15th question. 15th question is from the series. 15th question is from the series. Okay. Now let's see what should be the right answer for this one. This image is related to this one, and this, the middle portion, the middle element of the square shifted to this side and this shifted to this side. But when it goes to the when it goes outside, it will double. It will double like this. Similarly, in these two figure, when this figure, this dollar comes outside and this triangle comes inside, triangle will remain single, but this dollar will turn into thrice. Dollar will be thrice. Similarly, if I am converting this over here, 4 at the rate should come. 4 times at the rate should come. Because first double happened, then thrice, then now 4 should happen, and this rectangle should be in the middle. Rectangle should be in the middle. Okay. We should get the image like this. We should get the image like this. So it should match with which option? With which option it should match? Let's see. 4 at the rates are given over here. 4 at the rates are given, but this is a square. That's why I cannot mark 1. We should mark the third one. We should mark the third one because this is coming at the bottom. We need in the middle, which is given like this, and this is right. So 3 should be the right one. Option number C. Option C is the right. Option C is the right. Let's go on to the 16th question. 16th question from the Venn diagram. 16th question we are having on screen from the Venn diagram. From the Venn diagram we are having this question. We need to find the relation between mango, fruit, orange. We know that all mango are fruit, all orange are fruit, but mango and orange does not share any relation. So mango, orange, fruit. 1 should be the right answer. 1 should be the right answer, which is matching with option number B. Option number B. Okay. Let's move on to the next 17th one. 17th question on our screen. 17th question on our screen. We need to select the figure from among the given option that can replace the question mark. We need to replace this question mark. From this image to this image, this was facing in the east direction. This arrow facing in the east, 90-degree anti-clockwise rotation. 90-degree anti-clockwise rotation, it is facing in the north. Again 90-degree anti-clockwise rotation, it is facing in the west. Again 90-degree anti-clockwise rotation, it will face in the south. It will face in the south. So second option, third option are wrong. Fourth can be the right, first can be the right. See the position of this circle and heart. This was at this corner, left top corner, then right top corner, then bottom right corner. 1 position shifting. So this circle and heart should come over here like this, like this. Okay. And the heart should be of the shaded one, because unshaded, shaded, unshaded and shaded one. So shaded heart and circle should come over here. So 1 is also wrong. 1 is also wrong. Only 4th is the right answer. Only 4th is the right answer. Only and only 4th option is the right answer. 4th image is the right. Now let's mark the 4th image. Let's mark the 4th image, which is given in option D. D is the right answer. Next, 18th question. 18th question on our screen. 18th question on our screen. 24 is related to 168. I can say 24 into 7 will be 7, 4, 28, 8. 2 carry 0, 7, 2, 14 and 6. It was very simple. It was very simple. Multiple of 7 it is given. Multiple of 7. So multiplying 16 by 7. Multiplying 16 by 7. I can get 112. Let's mark 112. Oh. We are not having any option as 112. We are not having any option of 112. We are not having any option of 112. So another logic should be applied. Another logic should be applied. How can we make 7? How can we make 7? If I am dividing 24 by 4, we will get 6 plus 1, 7. Now multiplying 24 by 7, I can get 168. Similarly, doing the same logic in 16. 16 divided by 4, I will get 4 plus 1, I will get 5. So 16 into 5, I can get 80. Do we have 80 in the option? Yes, we are having option number C, 80. We are having option number C, 80. We are having option number C, 80. So let's mark option C. Let's mark option number C. C 80 is the right answer. 19th question, we need to find the embedded figure. We need to find the embedded figure. Which of the following options are embedded in the given figure? Which of the following options are embedded in the given figure? We need to find the embedded one. Would you guys like to let me know the right answer for this one? Would you guys like to let me know the right answer for this question? If yes, then comment down the right answer. If yes, then comment down the right answer. If you guys are willing to give me the right answer, then let me know by commenting, right? Let's see. Where can we find this image? Where can we see this image? We need a rectangle like this, we need a rectangle like this, and rectangle like this. Two rectangles. But we cannot get the horizontal one in this image, we cannot see anywhere. So one is the wrong. Can we see this kind of triangle? Can we see this triangle like this? Can we see this triangle like this? We cannot see the such kind of figure. Such kind of triangle is not present in this figure anywhere. Anywhere. You can see it very carefully. Second is also wrong. Okay. Now third and fourth are remaining. Third and fourth are remaining. We have to see this rectangle, which I can get. No. Yes, which I can get like this. Which I can get like this. I can get like this rectangle. Then one more rectangle should be hanged in this format. This is not the rectangle actually. So I can say this part is hanged like this. Both are same, both are matching with each other. So 3 should be the right answer. Image number 3. Image number 3 should be the right answer. Image number 3 should be the right answer. Let's mark this image number 3. Let's mark the image number 3, which is matching with option number C. Option C is the right. 20th question. 20th question on our screen. From the critical reasoning, preamble of the India does not grant any power. Preamble of India does not grant any power. It does not grant any power because it's preamble of India does not grant any power. This is about our preamble, which states that, which defines that preamble of India does not grant any power, but it gives direction, purpose to the constitution. It gives direction and purpose to the constitution, right? It outlines the objectives of the whole constitution. It outlines, it gives the idea, the objectives, that what are the objectives of the constitution, that the laws, the things that are written in the constitution. Okay, so what should be the conclusion that we can get from the one? Preamble is a part of constitution. Yes, preamble is a part of constitution, we can say this thing. That's why the preamble is giving the direction, purpose to the constitution. Okay, what is the second conclusion saying? Second conclusion is saying preamble provides the context in which the country can achieve the fundamental rights guaranteed by the constitution. We cannot conclude this part. We cannot conclude this part. We cannot know. We are not in the statement. Nothing is said about any country. It is said about the India. If it was given about the India, then we could have concluded this part. But we cannot say about the country. We cannot say about any country, right? So preamble provides a context in which the country can achieve the fundamental rights. Nothing is said about the fundamental rights as well. Nothing has been said about the fundamental rights as well, guaranteed by the constitution. So second conclusion does not follow. Only one follow, option number C. Option number C should be the right one. Let's mark option C. Option C is the right. Next, 21. 21 is from the mathematical operation again. 21 is from the mathematical operation again. Which two signs should be interchanged? We have to interchange the sign. Always and always choose the option which have division part, which have division. Option C and D. Let's start with C and D. Plus and division should be interchanged. Plus and division should be interchanged. Plus should come, division should come over here. 26 divided by 26 will become 1. 728 multiply 2. Multiplication should be solved. It will become 700 into 2, 1400. 28 into 2, 56. So it will become 1456. Plus 1 minus 58. It will become 1457 minus 58. 17 minus 8, 9. 14 minus 5, 9. 3, 1. 1399, which matches with option number C. Which matches with C. Always and always try to solve such kind of question with those options which have division part. Whenever the symbol interchanging question you are getting, whenever you are getting such kind of question in which you have to interchange the symbols, so always try to solve the question, the options which is having division part, right? So we are getting the C answer. Let's mark the C part. Let's mark the C option. C is the right one. Let's move on to the 22nd question. 22nd question. We need to find the odd one out from the given 4 cluster of letters. D comes at 4, I 9, Q 17. G अपना कितने पे आता है? G comes at 33 as well as 7, because G after Z G comes at 7. So 26 plus 7 33. G either comes at 33 or at 7, right? So what is the logic in this? Plus 5 plus 8 and plus 16. Let's see in the KPX and K11, P16, X24, and N comes at what? N comes at 40. N comes at 40 because Z comes at 26, Z comes at 26, and N comes at 14. So 26 plus 14 makes 40, right? So let's see the logic in this one. 16 plus 5, 16 to 24 plus 8, 24 to 40 plus 16. Same logic is used in both this one. H to M, H8, M13 plus 5, M to U, U21 plus 8. Same logic is applied. U to K, K comes at which number? Z26, K11, 26 plus 11, 37. So 21 to 37 plus 16. Same logic is used in all these ones. So right answer should be option number D. No need to check this one. A1, E5. We can see the gap is of 4. So here it is wrong. Here it is wrong. Option number D. Let's mark D. D is the right answer. Next question 23. Next question 23. The question says figure A is related to B. This A is related to B. Following the same pattern, C is related to D. We need to follow the same pattern which is being followed in A and B to make the answer of C to D, right? Study the pattern and select the figure which should be placed in place of D. What should come in place of D out of the given 4 options? Let's see. You can clearly see that this image, B image is the mirror image. MI means mirror image, right? This is at the right, this is at the left. The diagonal was going from top right to bottom left. So it will come from top left to bottom right, right? This is at the top left corner and this is at the top right corner. So this image is properly the mirror image. This image is properly the mirror image. Similarly, the mirror image of this part will form. So triangle, this part is the right side, it will appear at the left side. So 3 is wrong because triangle is rotated upside down. This is wrong, triangle has been rotated. 1 is also wrong, triangle has been rotated. This only option is remaining, that is 4. The only option remaining is 4 and hence 4 is the right answer. 4 is the right answer. Let's mark 4. Option number A is the right. Next question 24th. 24th question on our screen. Second question from the embedded question. Second question from the embedded chapter. We need to find that this image is embedded in which of the following figure. Okay. First of all, we need to see this part. We need to see this part. I can see this part over here, but we need this part as well, but I cannot see this part. I cannot see this part here. So this is the wrong one. And I can see this part over here, this part over here, then the bigger triangle like this. Okay, 1 is the right answer. We can get from the 1. We can get from the 1. So A is the right. A is the right answer. Next 25th. 25th is again from the critical reasoning, cause and effect. The question is of the cause and effect. What should be the right answer for this one? What should be the right answer for this one? Is there anyone who would like to let me know the right answer of this question? What should be the right answer for this question? Let's see. Changes in the climate and increases in extreme weather events changes in the climate and increase in the extreme weather events are among the reasons behind a global rise in hunger and poor nutrition. These are among the reasons, not the only reason. Understand the point. Among the reasons, there are many other reasons. There are many other reasons behind the hunger, rise in hunger and the poor nutrition. There are many other reasons behind the rise in hunger and the poor nutrition. These are one of the reasons: climate, changes in the climate, as well as the increase in the extreme weather events. These are among the reasons behind what? Behind the rise in hunger and the poor nutrition. Okay, so this is one statement. Second statement is generating electricity and heat by burning fossil fuels. Generating electricity and heat by burning fossil fuels causes a large chunk of global emissions. Causes a large chunk of global emission. If there will be a large chunk of global emissions, if there will be a large chunk of global emission, it will directly affect our weather. It will definitely affect our environment. It will definitely bring change to our climate and the weather conditions as well. Are you getting this thing? So I think that this should be the cause, and this should be the effect. First one should be the effect and this one should be the cause. So second is the cause and statement 1 is the effect. Let's mark option number B. Yes, B is the right answer. Next, 26th question on our screen, again from the data sufficiency. Let's solve this one. 6-person ADH KMZ are sitting in a linear row facing south. All are facing south. Who are the immediate neighbors of A? Do we have A in the first line? We are not having A in the first statement. So first statement alone is not necessary. But it can be possible. How? It may be possible that 5 persons are getting fixed with the help of first statement. The only person remaining, A, will be fixed by default. So let's solve this one. Z sits at the end of the row, but we are not sure at which end, either at the left end or at the right end. So Z can come over here or over here as well. Z can come at both the ends. H second to the left of D and Z immediate right of D. Is Z is immediate right of D and all are facing south. So D will come definitely here, then only Z will be immediate right of D, and this case will be cancelled. Z will not come at that end. H second left of D. So 1 and 1, 2. H will come over here. K third right of M. If K is third right of M, there will be 2 persons between K and M, and K third right of M means K and M will be like this 1, 2, 3. And see what I told you, it may be possible that all the 5 persons can be fixed and the remaining person A will be fixed by default. So A will come over here. What we need to tell? We need to answer who are the immediate neighbor of A. H and M are the immediate neighbor of A. So with the help of first statement, we can get the answer. Right? So first statement is required. Now let's solve the second statement as well. Let's solve the second one as well. A sit third left of D. 1, 2, 3. Because they are facing south, so left will go like this. One person sit to the right of D. Only one. So this will come like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6th person will go over there. K immediate right of H. K is immediate right of H. It means 2 consecutive positions should be vacant. So K immediate right of H means H over here, K over here. M does not sit adjacent to D. If M is not sitting adjacent to D, M will come over here. From this statement as well, I can get who are the immediate neighbor of A. H and M. So both the statement independently are giving the answer that who are the neighbors of A, who are the adjacent neighbors of A. Answer should be either or. Option number B. Data in either statement 1 alone or statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question. Let's mark the B one. B is the right answer. Next, 27th question. 27th question from the coding decoding. What should be the right answer for this one? Question? Okay. Let's see. In a certain code language, pyre is coded as pyre, and tyria is coded as how will T be coded? We need to find the code for T. If you see, the three letters YRE and YRE are repeated. So we can find the common coding. We can find the common coding. 4935, 495. So 49 and 5 are the codes for 4, 5 and 9 are the codes for Y, R and E. The 3 is the code for P. 3 is the code for P. The code for T and A will be 6 and 1. The code for T will be 6 or 1. Right? 6 or 1. So T code will be either 6 or 1. Let's see what is given in the option. 9 is the wrong, 5 is the wrong, 3 is the wrong. Option number D, 1 can be the right. 1 can be the right answer. Let's mark 1. Yes, option D is the right. Option D is the right. 28th question. Now we need to find the mirror image of this question. We need to find the mirror image of this question. If we need to find the mirror image, Z is placed over here, Z will come like this. So option number 3 will be wrong because S is given. Now S will come like this, S will come like this. So option number 4 is also wrong because I is given. Now this is P, so it will become like this, it will become like this. So option number 3 is wrong because B is given. So only option 1 is remaining, image number 1 is remaining, which matches with option A, which matches with option number A. Yes, A is the right answer. A is the right answer. Next, 29th question. 29th question on our screen. The sentence below has a word in which the letters are jumbled up. These letters are jumbled up. Rearrange the letters of that word written in capital letters. We have to arrange the letters in the jumbled format. We have to rearrange them in the which is written in the capital letter to form the correct word. The new industrial boiler system generates. What does it generates? What does it generates? It generates steam, S-T-E-A-M, steam, enhancing the production process and reducing consumption. Answer should be option number B, steam, because it cannot generate team. What kind of team it will generate? It will not generate team, it will not generate mates, it will not generate meats, it will not generate teams, it will generate steam. Industrial boiler system, boiler. Focus on this word boiler. Boiler will generate what? Boiler will generate what? Boiler will not generate steam, neither meats nor mates. Only steam will be generated by the help of boiler. The right answer should be option number B. Option number B, steam. Okay. Next, 30th question. 30th question on our screen. This question is from the coded blood relation. Question is from the coded blood relation. We need to find. Okay, we are given like this. Let's solve. H east B. East means what? Husband. So H is the husband of B. H is the husband of B. B south A. South means daughter. So X is the daughter of Y. So B is the daughter of A. B is the daughter of A. Like this. A north K. North means father-in-law. So A will be the father-in-law of K. If A will be the father-in-law of K, how A will become the father-in-law of K? How A will become the father-in-law of K? There will be some child of A who will be married to K. So one child of A is married to H. So A is the father-in-law of H. We need to make A is the father-in-law of K. So one child will come there with the B and that will be married to K. Then only A will become the father-in-law of K. K east Z. K east Z means K is the husband of Z. K is the husband of Z. So K will be male and Z will be female. So K is married to Z and Z is the sibling of B and Z is the daughter of A as well. Z west R. West means sister. Z is the sister of R. If Z is the sister of R, the R will be the sibling of both B and Z. Okay. R south V. South means daughter. R is the daughter of V. If R is the daughter of V, then V will be the wife of A. V will be the wife of A. If B is related to H, if B is related to H, how B is related to H? B is the wife of H. B is the wife of H. In the same way, V is related to. this V will be related to who? V will be related to A. V will be related to A because B is the wife of H, then V is the wife of A. V is the wife of A, and hence the right answer should be A. Hence the right answer should be A. A is matching with option number A. A is matching with option A. Let's mark this one A. Yes, A is the right answer. Okay, we have completed all the 30 questions. I hope you have you liked the solutions, you liked the approach of each and every questions. The questions were very easy of tier 2 as compared to the tier 2 level. It can be fully scored 30 out of 30 by each and every student in this section because this set of paper was quite easy as compared to the previous mock test that we have analyzed in the previous videos. This was the right one. This was the easiest one, I should say. Thank you everyone. That's it for today. You can catch me live daily at 4 p.m. daily on the same YouTube channel where we take the live classes for the tier 2 and the railway exams as well. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Take care. See you all tomorrow.